Hey, what's up? It's your girl Vonnie, also known as Vibe, and I am tuning in to present to you another little piece of video. Um, this one, of course, I'm not going to go too in depth in it or anything like that because of the simple fact that I don't need nobody coming for me. Plus, also, if you listen to the basics, then I think the basics is what you should be able to take heed to and follow. Um, I'm in no way, shape, or form an expert at anything that I discuss, but I mean, I do the best that I can, especially going off of experience. All right. So here we go. Oh, I do want to say before we go any further, let me be clear. This conversation is coming from love. It's not coming from fantasy. I'm not here to sell you any dreams, protect delusions, nor am I here to babysit feelings. And I'm definitely not here to bite my tongue, really. But okay. So, first of all, dating in Jamaica is not the problem. Jamaican men are not the problem. Dating without discernment is. We could talk about relationships all day, especially intercultural dating. A lot of people love to listen, fewer people want to do the work. And even fewer people want to be honest with themselves. Like I said before, I'm not an expert, but baby, I am healed. And that's what makes the difference. Let's see. Let's start here with romanticizing. Romanticizing is the real issue as well. Smooth talk is not effort. Attention is not intention. Charm is not commitment. If you came to Jamaica already sold on a fantasy, discernment never had stood a chance to begin. Let's be real. A lot of people aren't looking for partnership, they're looking for validation. Jamaican men are not experiences. They are not your fucking souvenirs. Oh, I don't even know if that word's allowed, but that is how annoying that is to me. Stop trying to act like they are some type of keychain accessory or something that you could carry around. They're not tools for self-esteem. They're not for your content, nor are they for your escapism. When you treat people like accessories, don't be surprised when the connection is shallow. And when I say that, please hear me and understand. Again, you teach people how to treat you. And some people will go and play the long, hard game for a long, hard time. Okay? We just gonna leave that right there. Let's stop pretending power dynamics don't exist. Money, mobility, access, opportunity. If you don't understand how those things influence attraction, you will always misread situations. Being desired does not mean that you are chosen, and attention does not equal investment. I want you to listen and sit on those words, okay? Now let's go to the part that people hate. Discernment is your responsibility. Red flags don't disappear because you're in paradise. Culture explains behavior, it does not excuse disrespect. What you tolerate teaches people exactly like how to treat you. I don't know any other way to say it. You're choosing confusion. A lot of chaos comes from assumptions to begin with. People don't ask They really don't ask direct questions because they're afraid of the answers. So feel don't I'm gonna say that they fill in the blanks with fantasy. That's what a lot of stuff happens. If you're not communicating clearly, confusion is simply a choice. If every dating story starts to sound the same, at some point the location isn't the issue. Patterns follow you. Sit on that. New scenery doesn't change old habits, awareness does. Dating in Jamaica is not for people looking to be rescued, it's not for people avoiding healing, And it's not for people that are chasing validation. It's for people who are grounded, self aware, and honest about their capacity. Be honest about your intention. Be honest about where you see things for the future. Be honest about, just be honest. Shit, it's not that complicated. I personally don't need to be a size 5 caramel complex, nor do I need Becky good hair or anyone's approval in order to love myself. There's a difference. I don't need to have any of those things either to understand discernment, nor do I need to have any of those things to have a good self esteem or healthy self esteem for myself. That's the difference. If this stings, it hit where it needed to. I didn't say this to be liked. I didn't create this video to be loved. I said it to be clear. More honest conversations like this are needed, they're necessary. And more honest conversations are definitely coming. Take what applies and leave what doesn't. And stay tuned for the next video. I don't even think I'm going to tell you what's to come. Take care of yourself and take care of each other. Bye.